What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com, back with my yearly video where I talk about some of the best deals available for Black Friday that are associated with SketchUp. So you can find links to all of these different deals by going to my Black Friday page at TheSketchUpEssentials.com/Black Friday. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. All right, so first things first, I'm running a couple deals of my own. So if you purchase the SketchUp Essentials course, or the SketchUp Essentials for Architecture, which is my layout focus course, you get 6 months free in the SketchUp Essentials community. So not only do you get access to the course, you also get access to my community where I have live coaching calls as well as a community forum and bonus trainings in there. So if you're really looking to take learning SketchUp and layout or SketchUp seriously this year, you can check out either one of those and get 6 months in the community for free. So in addition, I'm also doing a 50% off deal if you just want access to the community. So if you just want some support, you want to be able to ask questions in the forum, come to those live calls, and check out those bonus workshops and trainings, I have that available for half off on my quarterly plans, so my 3-month plans. So if you're interested in that, you can do that as well. If you're just looking for a little bit of help and you don't necessarily need the hours and hours and hours of training that I have inside of my courses. So now let's talk a little bit about extensions. So Placemaker is the easy city creation extension for SketchUp, where you can create an entire city with a single click. It allows you access to things like high resolution images with their near map data, quick generation of buildings with OpenStreetMap data, as well as being able to quickly model roads and paths and bodies of water with a single click. So if that's something you're interested in, this is a really great context modeling extension. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check that out at the link on the page for 50% off. So Scatter and Transmuter are also on sale. So Scatter is the extension that allows you to scatter objects inside of your model. So it's really great for creating like organically placed landscapes and other things like that. It'll randomly place things like rocks and trees and plants. And then Transmuter is a really great extension that allows you to bring in external model files. So you can bring in model files from different formats and bring them in to use them in SketchUp. One of the really cool things about Transmuter is it also has an option to reduce the size of those geometries when you bring them in. So a lot of the time when you get geometries from external locations, they're really big and they really slow down your SketchUp model. Well, Transmuter will allow you to either reduce the number of faces and vertices inside of your model in order to speed it up, or it can also create proxies so that the geometry that's shown inside of SketchUp runs really quickly, but then the full geometry gets loaded in when you run it in your rendering program. So those are 30% off individually or 50% off if purchased together. And these two work really well together. So all of Keurix extensions are 50% off with code Black Friday. So if you want to download Keurix extensions, he has a lot of different extensions that do a lot of different things. So you can check all of those out on his Gumroad page. So if you're interested in that, you can check those out at his Gumroad page. So Skimp is also 50% off. All of the MindSight Studios extensions are 50% off. So Skimp is another extension designed to do model simplification. So it imports these different model formats and then it brings them in at a lower polygon count. So what that does is that really speeds up your SketchUp models. So Skimp is also 50% off. Mediq BIM is 40% off with code GiveThanks20. So Mediq BIM is Nathaniel Mediq's collection of extensions for, that's his collection of extensions for basically automating things like trusses and house framing and foundations. He also has an electrical plugin. So these extensions are really great for if you want to like create a framed wall with an opening in it or something like that. If you want to create a house with trusses on it, these extensions are really great for that. So Flex Tools is 30% off. So if you remember, Flex Tools is the extension with this smart dynamic components that automatically resize. So things like if you have windows or doors, you can resize them using the scale tool without having things deform. You can also enter in things like door widths and heights and have things resize automatically. So this is a really great extension for adding those things, especially given how much time you can waste modeling out things like doors and windows. This can be a huge time saver. So Vertex Tools and SubD from TomTom are 40% off with code Black Friday 2020. So those are really great for organic modeling. Vertex Tools is really good for editing different vertices and other things like that. SubD is a subdivision extension, which allows you to subdivide and smooth faces in order to make them more organic and realistic. So you can check these out on that page as well. So again, you can check out all of these deals at my Black Friday page at TheSketchUpEssentials.com/Black Friday. I'll be updating this page with new deals as they become available, so make sure to check back often to make sure you're not missing anything. If you like this video, please remember to click that like button down below. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new SketchUp content every week. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.